Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your Windows 10 computer. Now, apps are similar to programs, but you could think of apps more of something like you would have on your smartphone or tablet, whereas a program you would think of something more as you would install within Windows, such as Microsoft Word or Photoshop and that kind of program. So when you click on Start, depending on your Start menu, I have the Windows 10 replacement Start menu called OpenShell. I have a video on that. But if you have the default Windows 10 Start menu, you could click on and you'll see all your apps, such as your camera and game bar and mail and messaging and that sort of thing. Now, if you don't want these apps on your computer or you need to free up some space, you could easily uninstall those, but you do that a little differently than you would for your software. So if you are used to using programs and features, you'll notice when you open that up, you only have whatever programs are installed on your computer. So in this case, I only have a few. So what you need to do is go to the Windows 10 settings to uninstall apps. So to do that, if you use the Windows 7 style start menu, you could just type in settings and look for the little purple icon, or if you use the Windows 10 style menu, you'll have it on the left here. So click on that, and then what you want to do is go to the apps section, and then you'll see all of your apps listed here. This will also show your programs, so you could do both from here, uninstall apps or programs, and it'll show you how much each app is taking up. For the most part, they don't take up a lot of space, you know, less than a megabyte for some, or for a lot of them actually, and some might take a few more. So in my case, I don't have a lot of large apps on there, but if you use the Windows Store and you install apps, then there's some larger ones, and you might want to come in here and remove them later on if you need the space. So all you need to do is, let's pick one that I'm never going to use, like this feedback hub. And then all I got to do is click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. And that's all there is to it. So you can just go through the list, pick out the ones you don't want, click on uninstall, and they will be removed from your computer. All right, thanks for watching.